How to fix Roblox error code 280 disconnected from the game. Please reconnect. Now, if you go into the main page of Roblox website and then check out their support page, you should be able to see that the meaning of Roblox error code 280 is actually indicating that your Roblox application is out of date and needs an update. So basically, just go into your Google Play Store or wherever you downloaded the application and just simply search for Roblox. And this is where you can update the application. If the issue is persistent and is not yet fixed, all you have to do is just simply clearing out all storage data from the Roblox application itself. Tap and hold in your Roblox app and go into the eye icon, scroll down again, go to storage, and then just simply choose on clear data and clear cache. Relaunch the game and that should be working. And that is how you fix Roblox error code 280 disconnected from the game. Please reconnect.